everyone. This is Safe Software and I have designed mat footing for 23rd story building which I have designed earlier. So this is the model of the footing I have made. So first we have defined the material. Go to define the material. I am defined M40 HYSD 500, M40 for concrete and HYSD 500 for longitudinal bars. Now after define material we define slab properties. So you create here slab material and thickness. First I have assumed 500 mm but it was filled, so I assume 1200 mm. Then after defining material, then slab property, the defined column properties. So two types of column are there, 500 into 500 and 600 into 600. So you can see the property of the column M40 500 into 500. So the outer column are 500 into 500 and these four columns are 600 into 600. So after defining material slab property, column property, then we have to define soil subgrade property. Soil modify we calculate by formula subgrade modulus, say bearing capacity by settlement. So it coming 33,000 kilonewton per mq. So we have to define load pattern, dead load and live load. Load cases, linear static type analysis. Okay, then load combination. There are two types of combination. As for IS 456 unlimited load combination, scale factor for dead load and live load are 1.5. Strength, ultimate design selection. Okay, linear combination type scale factor is 1. Design selection, you have tick all service. Okay, then you have to define material property, slab property, column property, soil subgrade property and all the loads. So definition are complete. We draw the footing by draw menu, draw column, draw slab area and draw design strip. So there are design strip, then you can display. So then after drawing the footing and all, you have signed the soil property and load data. From here you go to soil property and from here load. Now right click here anywhere in the footing. You will get the property here, rebar material HYSD load mat footing soil. Then if you middle click on the column, you will get the load. This is dead load, point load, live load and here design. So in the column, if you want to see, then click here, not inside the center you get. Then after assign all load and soil property, you can you can go for analyze, run detailing, so everything is done. You can see various data. This is reinforcement profile, reward plan. Then you can go reward schedule. This is reward schedule, bill of quantity. You can see everything is here display. And you want to check punching design share also. As see, thank you so much. This is my design.